In India, with the introduction of Goods and Services Tax or GST, most companies would prefer to consolidate a number of warehouses, and Nagpur has become the preferred destination due to its ideal location. Nagpur, popularly known as Orange City of India, is also known as the second capital of Maharashtra. The city is located in the northeastern part of Maharashtra, and India's geographical center, the 0 Mile, lies within the city. Proximity to Mumbai, the commercial capital of the country, has made Nagpur a favorite destination for commercial activities. Nagpur International Airport is set to become the country's first national air cargo hub. MIHAN, the multi-modal international cargo hub, and airport at Nagpur is one of the biggest economical development projects currently underway in India in terms of investment, and is spread over an area of 4,354 hectares. The vision of pioneering and setting up a world-class logistics park in Nagpur, spread over 100 acres amongst lush green vegetation, and make Nagpur a logistics destination of India is indeed a commendable initiative. With this vision, Orange City Logistics Park was conceived in 2007. OCLP, or Orange City Logistics Park, is one of the pioneers in India to set up a logistics park, complying with international standards. The logistics park is spread over an area of 103 acres. 6 warehouses totaling about 850,000 square feet have been completed till now. The 7th warehouse of 225,000 square feet is under construction. Most of these warehouses have been built to suit as per customer specifications. The top-of-the-line and state-of-the-art warehouses, roads, parking for trucks, drainage, electrical supply, through the express feeder, commercial complex, weighbridge, staff quarters, and many other facilities are provided in this logistics paradise. OCLP is located on the outskirts of Nagpur, adjacent to multimodal international cargo hub MIHAN. Ring Road is 500 meters. National Highway 7 is 5 kilometers. National Highway 6 is 8 kilometers. Airport is 12 kilometers. And railway station is 20 kilometers from OCLP. At the entrance, OCLP has a stylish main gate complex with electric sliding gate and boom barriers for entry and exit. All of the roads are designed to cater for trucks up to 40 tons. 25 to 40 meter wide blacktop roads in front of warehouses. All warehouses provided with roof and canopy drains. Underground drainage system for entire OCLP ensures no water logging in OCLP even during heavy rains. All the warehouses are modern PEB structures supplied and erected by reputed PEB companies in India. And all the buildings are designed keeping in mind wind loads, static and dynamic loads, earthquake loads, and soil bearing capacity as per ASTM, BMMA and National Building Codes. Warehouse buildings are designed for structural stability and guaranteed for 25 years. Optimum base spacing with warehouse length of 175 to 215 meters and width of 60 to 100 meters. Partition walls for flexibility cater for multiple users in the same warehouse. Intermediate columns with jack beams with clear base space of up to 18,500 square feet for optimum racking. Clear height of 10.5 to 12 meters at eaves to cater for high density storage. The warehouse has G+7 racking system. Also 3.5 meter brick wall all around for safety and security. The roof has 4% skylighting inside the warehouse. The complete warehouse is insulated with thermal insulation for roof and walls, reducing working area temperature up to 8 degrees centigrade. With hybrid ventilation combining static roof monitor and dynamic turbo vents, we ensure good ventilation inside the warehouse. OCLP have dock levelers at designated docks to cater for different truck sizes and ample dock doors for flexibility and smooth workflow. OCLP also provides each warehouse with separate office blocks with air conditioning option, ample cubicle for staff, canteen rooms, separate toilets for gents and ladies, of warehouse staff and office staff as per NBC, changing rooms with lockers separate for gents and ladies, and 2- and 4-wheeler parking. The warehouse management system, IT, have the provision for WMS, facility for installing WT tower, separate UPS and server rooms, underfloor cabling and office space, a facility for fitting WT equipment within the warehouse, and provision for optical fiber cabling. Safety is an integral part of OCLP and built into the system. Fire protection has 4 pump rooms with over 18 lakh liters water storage capacity. Pressurized fire main for 24/7 availability. External fire hydrants around each warehouse as per NFPA. Fire annunciation system with hooter. 10-meter wide blacktop roads around each warehouse for movement of fire tenders. Approved fire doors for emergency escape. Fire main inside building with fire hoses and provision for fire sprinkler system. OCLP have dedicated 11 kV electrical express feeder with a dedicated substation for reliable power supply. The substation is with capacitor bank for optimizing power factor. There are no overhead electrical lines in OCLP. Separate LT room and a metering arrangement for each warehouse. For security and safety, OCLP have 10 feet compound wall, including 2 feet concertina wires all around. Separate wire mesh boundary walls for bonded warehouse. 24/7 security at the main gate with CCTV surveillance. Street lights with 9-meter high poles and area lighting all around each warehouse. OCLP also provide other facilities like commercial block for stylish 2-story building with facility for ATM, restaurant, courier office, shops and guest rooms. We have staff quarters to house the security staff who can also be called upon for any emergency duty. Drivers' restrooms with toilet and bathing facility. The futuristic plan is to set up a container yard and railway siding.
Orange City Logistics Park vision is to provide world-class logistics facilities at affordable rates. New technologies in products and processes are brought in to upgrade the operating environment. With goods and services tax ticking in, Nagpur now becomes a destination for warehousing. And Orange City Logistics Park is a natural choice.
OCLP, Orange City Logistics Park, Nagpur, India, delivering global high-tech logistics infrastructure.